Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many developers might face during Firebase App Hosting. The issue pops up right after a crucial step in the rollout process, leaving you scratching your head. The error message reads, "Unable to determine the application to deploy," causing a roadblock in your deployment journey. Frustrating, right? But fret not. We've got a solution up our sleeves that will have you back on track in no time. In a stroke of genius, the missing puzzle piece was identified. The Angular devkitcore package was MIA in your package.json. A quick fix with npm id at Angular devkitcore did the trick, resolving the error that was causing all the fuss. As it turns out, this specific error pops up when there's either no project or more than one project found in the repo. In your case, it was all about getting that missing package on board to set things right. Now, with the missing package mystery solved, you're all set to smoothen out your Firebase app hosting rollout process. Remember, the devil is in the details, and sometimes it just takes a keen eye to spot the tiny slips that throw our projects off track. So, next time you hit a snag like this, keep calm, analyze closely, and you might just uncover the golden nugget that solves the conundrum. And with that, we wrap up our troubleshooting journey for the day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any tech mishaps you've encountered lately. Until next time, happy coding!